Good day everyone, this is XK Tutor. So for today's video, we're going to solve a differential calculus problem that uses product rule. So the problem is y is equal to 1 over x plus x quantity times 3x. So let's derive it. Y prime is equal to, copy the first term, which is 1 over x plus x. Then let's derive the second term, which is 3x. If we derive it, that is equal to 3 plus, let's copy the second term, 3x. Then let's derive the first term. If we derive 1 over x, let's use the quotient rule here. Let's copy the denominator, then derive the numerator, then subtract. Then let's copy the numerator, then derive the denominator all over the denominator squared, plus if we derive x, that is equal to 1. So let's just simplify things here. Let's combine this. So their common factor is x. X divided by x, that is 1. Then multiply it here. That's equal to 1 plus x divided by here 1, that's equal to x, times x, that is x squared, multiplied by 3 plus 3x. Then this term here is equal to 0, so this is negative 1 over x squared plus 1 is equal to, let's just distribute the 3 here on these two terms here. So that would be 3 plus 3x squared all over x plus 3x. Then let's combine this. So their common factor is x squared. X squared divided by x squared, that is 1, and we multiply it here, that is negative 1. X squared divided by 1, that is x squared, and multiply it here, that is plus x squared. Then we can cancel x here and 1x here, so we'll be left with 1 here. Now let's distribute 3 here on these two terms. So let's just rewrite this. 3 plus 3x squared all over x plus 3 times negative 1, that is negative 3. 3 times x squared, that is 3x squared all over x. Since they have the same denominator, we can actually combine them. So we can write this as 3 plus 3x squared minus 3 plus 3x squared all over x. And we can cancel 3 and negative 3 here. So we'll be left with 3x squared plus 3x squared all over x. So 3x squared plus 3x squared, that is equal to 6x squared all over x. And we can actually cancel the 1x here, and we'll be left with 6x. So that's the answer for the problem. So I hope you guys learned something for today, and see you again next time.